Hello everyone, my name is Vadini from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about discourse processing in artificial intelligence. Discourse processing deals with how sentences relate to each other, creating meaning across a text or a conversation. Discourse processing in AI deals with understanding and generating the language beyond individual sentences. It focuses on maintaining coherence, resolving references, and interpreting relationships between sentences or dialogues turns in a broader context. Discourse programming deals how the sentences relate to each other and creating meaning across the text or a conversation. The pragmatics focus on how the context and real world knowledge influence the interpretation of the sentences. Now let's discuss some key tasks in artificial intelligence for discourse processing. For the discourse processing coherence resolution. It identifies entities across sentences or terms in a conversation. It means how the sentences are connected and how they create a coherent whole. For example, in John bought a car, he loves it. AI determines he refers to John and it refers to the car. Application we can use in conference resolution is chatbot summarization and information extraction. The second one is discourse segmentation structure analysis. The analysis how the part of text relate, such as main ideas, supporting arguments, or narrate flow. For example, understanding cause effect relationships like she studied hard, consequently, she passed. Application document summarization, legal document analysis, and storytelling in AI. The third one is topic modeling and tracking, identifies and tracks the main topics in the conversation or text over time. For example, detecting the topic shift in a customer service dialogue, con- conversational AI, and content recommendations. Dialogue management, it maintains the text and the coherence in multi-turn conversations. For example, ensuring AI responds appropriately and based on the prior conversations. Applications which we use are the virtual assistant, interactive voice response systems, and tutoring systems. This is it for this video. Like our channel, do like and subscribe.